Hello doctors, a very good evening to all of you. Hope you guys doing absolutely fine. Today in this session we're gonna discuss about the CPS 2022 counseling latest update. What is the main update about it? How the things going to be proceed? Whether your CPS 2022 notification as well as counseling will be there or it will be cancelled. What's the update about it? How many things are going to be happen? How the process will be done? In this video we're gonna discuss on those all topics. Before that, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए और आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब करके रख सकते हैं। साथ में हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल एडमिशन मीडिया जरूर ज्वाइन करके रखें, क्योंकि नीट पीजी 23 के जितने भी लेटेस्ट अपडेट होंगे मैं बहुत जल्द काउंसलिंग के कुछ नए रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन पर भी डिस्कस करने वाला हूं। तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखें, साथ में टेलीग्राम चैनल को भी ज्वाइन करके रखें। स्पेशली अगर आप सीपीएस एडमिशन देख रहे हो, साथ में आप कंफ्यूज हो कि सीपीएस 2022 के लिए प्रोसीड करें या 2000 नीट पीजी 23 के लिए सेशन के लिए वेट करें, कैसे आपकी प्लानिंग होनी चाहिए, कैसे दोनों काउंसलिंग को आप फोकस कर सकते हो, क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स क्या है सीपीएस लेने के नहीं लेने के, सीपीएस की तमाम अपडेट्स आपको हमारी वेबसाइट cpsadmission.in पे मिल जाएगी। अगर अभी तक आपको आइडिया नहीं है तो मैं बता दूं, CPS is already 110-year-old institute which provide MBBS after the MBBS. The post diploma is provided by CPS as well as NBA diploma. Earlier it was by DNB diploma, now it is NBA diploma. Apart from NBA diploma, the CPS institutes also provide the postgraduate diploma. In that there are multiple of the branches, few are MCI recognized, that is NMC recognized, while other there are some branches which are non-recognized. For those branches which are non-recognized, you are permitted to work under some particular states option, and for those branches eligibility is not required as per the last session. Means if you have just retained the NEET, then still you can get the admission in these branches. What are those branches, what are the fees, can be your management fees, how to proceed for them, the complete detail is available on our website cpsadmission.in. You can just log in there and you can see it. As per as that, if you're looking for the NEET PG 23 series, then you can contact me, as well as if you're looking also for the CPS series, then you can contact on the given number below. Now if I talk about what's the latest update about CPS 2022, there are already multiple of the rumors ongoing in the field that in this session your CPS counseling won't be happening or it won't be there. See, till now I have already uploaded a video on that in which we have already explained the things. Till now I understand there is no update. What's the update I'm gonna discuss? There is a committee made on that from the central government, that these committee gonna take the decision about exactly how your CPS 2022 counseling will be going on, how many colleges will be participating in this session, that is 22. In this committee there will be one person from NMC, one person from MOHF, and second person will be from CPS, while one person will be from the DGME of Maharashtra. These 3 to 4 people will be in one single committee, and this committee gonna take the major rules and regulation, gonna set the major rules and regulation for your CPS. And they have already mentioned that whatever the committee will decide, that how to proceed, how not to, they have to keep in mind, because it's a post diploma course after the MBBS. They have to look into the patient quality, and they have to take, because we have to generate doctors also, which will be required. As we all know, in India today the counting of doctor is very low, so possibilities of that CPS will be cancelled is very tough, because as already mentioned, it's 110-year-old institute which is providing diploma like this. So already vanishing it or completing shutdown of a course like this will be tough. Counseling will be there, yes, there can be some more dates of that, there can be more waiting period of the counseling, but CPS counseling will be there. How it will proceed, whatever the updates will be coming, will be provided to you on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.